Hey guys, how's it going? Got a new product here I kind of want to show you guys. If any of you that follow our channel, you know that we do a lot of packing our game out of the woods and we hunt a lot of public land. So with that being said, we hunt behind a lot of closed gates, and we got thinking, hey, it'd be nice to have some kind of cart. That way we can, if we don't decide to want to pack these deer out, we can kind of wheel them out since we're behind those gates. So I did a lot of looking around on the internet and reading a lot of reviews and trying to watch some videos. I didn't have much luck on the videos part, and that's why we're making one here right now. A little small review of this cart here. I wanted one that was compact, but yet it could handle the load of toting gear, carrying your deer out of the woods, etc. So what I finally settled on was this River's Edge cart here. And something I really like about it, it's got a real wide base. It's got good sized tires, so that's going to get you over any kind of logs that's in the woods. It's going to stay sturdy on the edges of hills and stuff like that. So let me zoom in right here, and we're going to kind of go over some of the features that it has. Alright guys, your wheel diameter is 18.5 inches. That's a pretty good sized tire. The wheel stance is 25 inches. That's good and wide for getting down those trails. The weight of this cart is 33 pounds and the capacity is 300 pounds. Hopefully we'll be able to stress that 300 pounds, but I'm not sure about that. But with gear and a deer on there, you never know. So let's get this cart put together, and we're going to go over a few of the features that it has, and we'll talk a little bit more about it then. Alright guys, we got her put together. It don't take but a couple of minutes to put it together. One of the main things that kind of sold me on this cart, and like I said, only time will tell how well it works out, is the fact that it's so compact. It actually folds up, which you saw that before we put it together. And a couple of things with that, it makes it stored in your truck. You can store it inside the cab of your truck. That way if you're out hunting public property and you don't want somebody to possibly steal it out of the back of your truck, it fit in the SUV, fit in a car. Not to mention, once season's over with, it'll hang on the wall out of the way. So, but right now it's totally together. It only takes a couple of minutes to put it together, and I'll kind of go over that with you. It's basically got some pins here for your handle, to hold your handle up. This is where actually one of the tires mounts for storage. Come down here and we'll look at this is the axle. You install this axle with a couple of pins here as well to keep that axle from coming out, with also some washers here that goes before and after your tire with these other pins. I recommend buying some extra pins just in case. I've been in the woods with things before, and guys, we know how all that goes. You can lose just about anything. This bar here is pretty unique. What I like about it's got several holes drilled in this bar, and what that can do, right now this thing is let out all the way. You can actually take this and make it more basket-like. So if you was to take and move this bar up to any of these holes, it will actually bring this up closer to where it can kind of cradle like gear and things of sort like that. So that's pretty neat. Now let me talk about a few things that I've seen that I really don't like, but I can change. One of them is, I think it should come with some kind of tie-down straps or something. It did not come with that, so I'd recommend getting you some rope, or better than that, get you some ratchet straps. Those are always pretty handy. You never have too many of those. And it just comes black, which that's okay too. You can either put the some kind of camo stickers or something on there of the camo pattern that you like, or you can spray paint this thing. So with that being said, guys, that's going to be just a short review of this River's Edge. You can get this thing through Tractor Supply or Amazon. We'll try to put a link in the description. This thing only cost me less than $100. You can't complain with that, especially if you can save your back. And I think we're going to get a lot of enjoyment out of this cart, and really looking forward to using it. So like always, guys, if you got anything out of our video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and follow us along this deer season as we use this cart. And I figure in our next vlog that we do, we're going to be using this cart to tote some stuff in and out of the woods to our hunting location. So with that being said, guys, y'all have a great afternoon and God bless.